Hi, I'm Leslie Morava shooting this video today from Big Sur because 8 months ago I was exhausted and downhearted and having a really hard time pooping. After the energy recharge method and restore your belly health, I'm feeling like a new person. I feel like I'm turning the clock back. I have my energy again. I look like myself again. And I just have more to give my family and my friends and do all the things. I highly recommend Laura's programs in order to get a grip back on your health and to move forward in a positive way with hope for the future. If you've been feeling like garbage, like I was for quite a long time, you're not going to believe how well the system works. And the supplement program is so pure and clean that you never get tired of it, which is something I've had problems with in the past. So everything Laura puts you on is an extremely high caliber and really moves through your body in a way that streamlines the healing process and gives you the fastest results. My life before working with Laura Frontiero was one of constant fatigue, digestive problems, itchy skin, honestly constipation. I was a bit of a mess and had tried so many different avenues for healing that I was feeling quite desperate. Once I got on Laura's class, I've never felt such a sense of trust and high value delivered by an individual who is offering a free program. What registered for me with Laura is her high level of intelligence, her no BS approach, her self-deprecating humor, and the fact that she's so committed to delivering the highest of value of content and is completely there for you. She has your back. I've never felt so supported by someone so intelligent who's so beautiful with a great sense of humor. When I began with energy recharge method, I was starting at the bottom. I wasn't digesting my food well. I was tired all the time. I had achy joints. I wasn't sleeping well. And I would say within weeks of starting ERM, I noticed a difference, which really encouraged me to move forward, as well as all of Laura's calls. Through the course of energy recharge method, because my results were so great, and Laura continued to win my trust with her devotion to us, I signed up for Restore Your Belly. I wanted to keep going with the momentum, and it's clear to me that I have a ways ahead to really anchor in my healing, and I'm okay with that because it's taken me years to get to this point. What really stood out for me with Laura is she puts the knowledge in our hands and we become our own advocates and our own lab report specialists. I really geeked out on this, so I loved the depth of Laura's teaching. What I love about Laura's programs is they're so in-depth and thorough. There's no stone left unturned, and you're going to get all the data you need to really investigate your health on the deepest level that you've ever been exposed to. What's so powerful about Laura's program is the container she builds of the group environment, which gives you a sense of not only camaraderie, but accountability. It was great to be in the group setting for all of us to cheer each other on. I loved that. I've actually had an ambition reset. My ambition today is back on fire because my health used to be such a burden that I couldn't think too far ahead in the future, and now I am pivoting and redirecting my life and calling in the visions of service that I've been wanting to do for so long but never had the energy for. So I'm incredibly grateful. My favorite Laura-ism is, did you send us pictures of your poop? Because we love pictures of your poop.